Well, this is it. Thanks for coming.
No problem. We'll take care of it.
Bay 2 is clear now. Send the silver sedan over.
Got it. Just finalizing the weight check on this one.
Within seconds, a full-size car is reduced to a dense metal block. Crushing reduces vehicle volume by up to 80%, making transport fast and efficient.
In just seconds, a car is torn into thousands of pieces. Steel makes up nearly 7% of a car, and it's recovered first. What comes out may look chaotic and messy, but every fragment has value. Powerful magnets instantly recognize and capture steel.
Non-ferrous metals don't stick. They're pushed away by pure physics. Even what's left behind still has a purpose.
Plastics and foam are transformed into usable energy. What can't be recycled becomes fuel for heavy industry.
Only a fraction is discarded per ton, and even that is controlled. Today's technology allows us to recycle up to 95% of a car. Once separated, steel begins its journey to a new life. Recycled steel is cleaner, cheaper, and ready for remelting. At 1600 degrees, scrap steel turns liquid. Recycled steel is cleaner, cheaper, and ready for remelting. Recycling steel uses up to 75% less energy than making it from ore. Before steel is reborn, every impurity must be removed.
Carbon and alloys are carefully measured. Strength is engineered here.
Liquid steel takes its first solid shape. Rollers transform raw steel into usable forms. Liquid steel takes its first solid shape. From old cars to the backbone of modern life. Recycling steel saves the earth from endless mining. An old car doesn't disappear, then it transforms.
Steel can be recycled forever without losing strength.
Cleaner steel means cleaner air and less water wasted. Today's scrap becomes tomorrow's world. Nothing is wasted. Everything has a next life.